Welcome YouTube, welcome back to another video. I can't believe how fast time, I'm gonna be real bro, like every time I make these videos it's so annoying because it's actually scary how fast time flies, bro. I'm gonna be honest. It's actually really irritating how much it flies. Ooh, Lamsky. I'm gonna keep the valves closed for a second because there's literally just passed by 2 sheriffs. So I guess we'll just, just enjoy the supercharger line for now. It's definitely not as fun. See, without the exhaust, bro, it's like, it's cool, but I'm telling you, dude, like, that's why I straight pop this car so fast. That's why I straight pop this car hella fast. Holy. Holy moly. Okay, I don't know if that's a copy on here or not. Dude, I'm so paranoid. Nah, I don't think so. I've been in Lambos, I've been in McLarens, driven a McLaren. I'm gonna be, oh, what the, what's happening over here? I've been in all of that, and I'm gonna be real, dude. Hellcats feel so different. Ooh. Cops are low-key active today, dude. Cops are low-key active today, bro. I've been seeing way too many today. I don't know what's going on. I saw 3 in literally one route. When I'm gonna sell these cars, dude, but I don't know what else am I waiting for, man? Time is going, like, I'm thinking about right now. It's not gonna be. I'm not that far away from, like, for example, 35, right? Like, I'm like doing the math. I'm literally. It's just such a trip, dude. Like, time's gonna go by so fast. I'm like in this point in my life right now where, like, I don't know if it's like a midlife crisis, but it sometimes feels like it, dude. Like, when I was growing in my career, like, you feel more like, okay, this is all you got going for you type of thing, you know? So you don't think about anything else. Like, that's all you're thinking about, because like when you're growing, you're like, man, I got all these years before I can become this good, become at this level. I'm at that point now. I'm at that point right now where I don't, like, I'm not in that point where, like, I'm still growing, but it's just so crazy how I went from, like, needing to be trained, always with somebody, to just being completely on my own. It's actually, like, such a good feeling, and I feel like that's why I'm kind of in this point in my life right now because I don't really. That's it, bro. My career is established. Like my career is so established, bro. I have my own business. I have the security of my own business. That's crazy. Like to have that kind of like skill set is just so crazy to me, dude. I can't believe it. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know. Like I don't know if it's just me, but maybe I'm brain rotting a little bit too much. But no, there's no way. For me, it's taking longer for it to click. Like I can't believe it. I can't believe it still. Like it's just crazy. Like I'm a team of 10 guys, pretty much total, and the local distributor is like 4, which is crazy because that means that we're like bigger than the local distributor by almost 2.5. That's crazy. So knowing that my competition, I'm 2.5 times bigger than them is just crazy to me, bro. To be honest with you. So definitely, dude, life's a crazy trip for me personally. I don't know if it's like this is how it normally is, but I guess you come to a point where you just work so much, so hard that it's like indefinable, you know? Get out of sight, out of mind. That's my motto. When there's too many people, I gotta get out of sight if I'm ascending. Holy sunset, bro. I love how the sun goes down so late, dude. It gives me so much time. It's actually so awesome. It's actually so awesome. How much time I get now? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been the same cars last 3 years. Dude, that's how locked in I've been. Like, I bought these cars when I became really good at my job, but dude, last 3.5 years have been freaking grind. I'm grateful though, super grateful. It's a price you pay, man. Like I'm like the whitest looking dude you probably meet, but my job is not white, dude. It is dirty. I mean, I still got freaking debris on me. I took a gnarly. I was going ham scrubbing it. I couldn't scrub off. Like, you can't see it right now, obviously, because you're not in IRL. But like, there's no matter. Sometimes I get so dirty, bro, I can't even wipe it off. Like, I got a stain on my neck that's been there for like 3 days. Not a good thing, but it's like, dude, that's how freaking dirty these machines are, bro. The oil's so thick. There's not much else you can do, straight up. Like, not a. Ooh, yes. Pretty light. Well, man, I hope all you guys are doing something career-wise that's well, growing. Like you for real gotta love the crap, dude, because it's the only way you're gonna make it, bro. Like, you know how many times I'm talking to my guys and I tell them, hey, you gotta go here, and they're always like, oh no, like crap, dude, like no, don't send me there. That's just, dude, that's the love. That's where you gotta find love. You gotta find love of that, dude. Like, where it sucks is where you wanna be. Like, the jobs that you don't want to do, that's what you gotta enjoy doing. The reason why this area is like so suburban is because it's like not super far away from LA, but it's like further away, I guess you can say, like, than most places. So that's why it's so like suburban here. Like, this place like 10 years ago was mad cheap, bro. Like, that's why everybody was moving here. There was only houses being built. You know, nobody, pretty much people are trying to get away from the city. That's the whole goal about this city. Like, that's why it's so freaking Sims like. Like, back then, what was considered being white was like living in the hills, like Hollywood Hills, Burbank Hills type of vibe. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.